Hello everyone, this is Chris Presents. It's about 3:45 p.m. on Friday, December 10th, 2021. I'm in downtown Chicago. It's raining. I'm just going to show you a little bit what's going on. There you go. I got my umbrella. And I'm in the Streeterville neighborhood. As you can see, it's raining. There we go. You can see it's raining. This is Streeterville neighborhood. I'll show you a little bit the area here. If you like my videos, subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. So I'm just going to show you a little bit. You can't really see too much. It's raining, it's cloudy, fog. Alright, thank you everybody for watching. This is Chris Presents.